We live off-grid, in the middle of the National Forest, and we're saving this old cabin. Unfortunately, today, we are getting stymied by the rain, and we're not able to do any work on the roof. The good news is that the soffits are not getting rained on, and the end pieces of wood are protected, so even if it's raining, we can work on some trim today. So there was a reason why we put the black trim on the roof, because we wanted to have black trim on the rest of the cabin. So we've done one corner already. Let me quick show you what that black trim looks like. It looked very classic. I like it. I like the look of the black. And so you can see how the green and the red over there just doesn't fit. So we're gonna get all the trim on this house to be in black. So here you can see this is what the end of the logs look like now. And we're even doing all the skylights edged in black. So I think that black trim gives it a look that's very demure, very mindful. Cabin Guy.